In this Argos support video, we will show you some useful Apple Watch features that can help make everyday tasks quicker and more convenient. Firstly, let's look at using your Apple Watch as a camera remote. Open the Camera Remote app on your Apple Watch. Your iPhone camera will open automatically. Use your Apple Watch as a viewfinder to frame your shot. Turn the digital crown to zoom in or out. Tap an area of the preview image to adjust the exposure. When you are ready, tap the shutter button to take the photo. By default, a 3-second timer is enabled. Next, let's look at ApplePay. Double-click the side button on your Apple Watch. Your default payment card will open automatically. To use a different card, scroll down and select it from the list. Hold the display of your Apple Watch near the contactless card reader. Now, let's look at using offline maps. Offline maps allow you to access saved map data even when your iPhone is not nearby. To set this up, open the Maps app on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture or initials next to the search field. Select Offline Maps, then turn on Sync with Apple Watch. You can then download offline maps, walking routes, or hiking trails to your device. To access them on your Apple Watch, open the Maps app. Tap the Search button, then tap your profile picture or initials. Select Offline Maps and choose the map you would like to use. Maps stored under on this watch remain available even when your iPhone is out of range. Next, let's look at Backtrack. Backtrack can help guide you back along a route you have already travelled. Open the Compass app on your Apple Watch. Tap the Backtrack button, then tap Record Path. Your route will now be recorded. When you are ready to return, tap the Retrace Steps button. A route back to your starting location will appear on the screen. Follow the displayed path to return to where Backtrack was first activated. Finally, let's look at Theatre Mode. Theatre Mode prevents the display from turning on automatically when you raise your wrist. It also enables Silent Mode and makes your walkie-talkie status unavailable. To turn on Theatre Mode, press the side button to open Control Center. Tap the Theatre Mode button. When Theatre Mode is active, the Theatre Mode icon appears at the top of the display. Following these steps will help you get more from your Apple Watch and make everyday tasks simpler and more convenient. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.